I'm gonna be making chocolate chip cookies today. First, I'm gonna pour my chocolate chip cookie mix. Next, I'm gonna put on 1 stick of butter. Now I'm going to add 1 egg. Here comes the flour pour. Stir. Stirring wasn't working, so you know what? I'm gonna use my fingers. Nice. My mommy's gonna help me.
It's getting sticky.
Yeah.
Smash it. Do it like Play-Doh.
Smash. I've already buttered my pan, and now I'm gonna put my cookies on the cookies. So my oven is on 375, and I'm going to bake these for 8 to 12 minutes. My cookies are all done now. Ooh, wow, on that one. Don't forget to subscribe to my grandma's channel, and don't forget to tap the post notification bell.